Train 50.
Powell Street 1. There are people fighting on the platform. Do we have a description for black female, green and black jacket with a blue headscarf, maybe 30s, and there is a white male with an army fatigue jacket, one swinging a skateboard at the other person. They're near the 2-track. Copy, skateboard and other GCA weapons involved, other weapons besides the skateboard. Negative. 361, approaching 16th Street, Wall Civic Center, back. Central 441, the individual with the army fatigue backpack just sprayed mace, bear spray on the platform. Copy, 44. 369, hold whistle, clear back.
Train 10.
I believe the individual got on the train and sprayed the bear mace. A bunch of passengers are running off the train.
Train 107, approaching Embarcadero 1. Train 107, hold Montgomery, read back.
441, do you know where in the process the individual boarded the train? I would assume maybe the 4th or 5th car, because all of those passengers are running off. Yeah, he sprayed it on the train. And you say you have camel pants? 17 Alpha, 0 sequence. Yeah, my 441, you said he has camel pants? It was a camel jacket. Yes, the police officer popped into my lead.
And now 235 is Middle Street.
441, hold policy station, reback.
Amen.
441, hold. 441, reback is correct.
Copy that.
441, your reback is correct, times 1237. 441, your new call sign is the 950. Heavy out of service announcements, you are out of service at Powell. Copy, 950. And 950, we advise Bart police should be on the platform. Let's go ahead and sleep out of service. Give me a call from the Daly City end of your train, the Daly City yard end of the train. Copy.
Good.
950, is everybody off the train?
Pin off his car. Good. Copy.
Affirmative, for the most part. I haven't got to sleep yet, but yeah, it looks like everything's on the platform. It's clocking from the Harrisburg. Okay, let's just do a quick walkthrough. We're going to make sure nobody's on the train, and you are back to, who were you before? The 441. Your call friend's back to the 441. You'll be out of service to Civic. Once you get to Civic Center, we'll go in service. 361 Civic Center, run through Powell Street, reback. Control Center, due to Bart police activity at Powell Street Station, we're currently experiencing a delay of over 15 minutes in service in all directions in downtown San Francisco. We do apologize for the inconvenience and thank you for riding Bart. Your trains will be moving shortly. 441, go for 441. How are we doing?
369, release 1242.
Heading back to the cab now. Okay, 441, you release your hold at Powell. No door cycle at Powell Street. You're in service. We'll go back in service at Civic Center. Copy. Out of 4041.
Powell.
Powell 242, active on the platform. We're getting further now. There's a train holding on platform 1, and we're holding out the 2 sides.
That's where you go attach 4145.
10-4, and Central just reported it as well. It's a BF, a blue head scarf with a green and black jacket versus a white male wearing a camo jacket and has a skateboard.
Yeah, you do know his license?
Negative.
His license. 41.
Code 30, please.
42, 43, 4 Civic.
41 rear advisor, the guy with the camo jacket ran upstairs.
10-4.
Then you got me a secondary, a big cross, he's running down. No, wait.
I can't copy.
Down here.
Copy pepper spray.
Where are you at?
Starting medical.
S38.
S38, starting medical. Time size.
That's 42, 43. Come down secondary.
42, 43, go down to secondary.
Out. And street, if you're gonna have them turn the fans on. 41. Go to 3. Some sort of, pepper spray.
I copy pepper spray was used.
What's your point in that? There's a heavy press for the pepper spray. We're getting everyone off the floor.
41, the platform is on state. Midway train, and close Powell Street now.
10-4, releasing Powell, closing the station.
S38, you continue. Continue to still 3 for now, until we can assess. Team 1 and Team 3, we're responding to code 3, and we'll self-assign here, and we're still walking off.
41, 10-4.
Yes, we haven't already started medical. Let's get several units out here. Possible treatment. A lot of patients that are offboarding. Yeah. Hold materially so we can get everybody offboarded up into the open area.
10-4, we'll call central back.
UTL, the suspect on secondary side. Copy that. We have 42, 43 circling up top. Platform and concourse of UTL.
10-4. And S3, medical is staging unless they're clear to enter.
We're going to go ahead and release this train. 41 is selected. Shouldn't be anybody else on board, nobody else on the platform. All our patrons that we offboarded are out in the plaza. Yeah, we'll come down and then start a filter.
10-4. And S38.
The smell and the effect is pepper spray.
10-4. And do you want trains to run through after?
Hey, from
10-4. Trains will run through Powell. S38.
Yeah, 38.
Is the incident train clear to remain in service?
Yeah, I sprayed through the end of the platform, make sure there's no others down there. Let me double check. Bye.
10-4.
41.
Go ahead.
I'll tell you on the discuss.
Go ahead.
The first one is going to be a white male wearing a green windbreaker jacket with black on bottom, holding a gray backpack. Approximately 40 years old, black costume, black pants, and shoes. The other subject is going to be another white male subject holding a black and white tote bag, wearing a black sweater, blue jeans, and black shoes. Patrons advising to keep that. They were the aggressors.
10-4. 42, 43, did you copy the updated description?
From we're on mission, checking 4th through 5th.
10-4.
At 40, we have one person detained topside. I know if they're the suspect or the victim, they are requesting medical. If medical can come down to the primary side.
What's that entrance?
Holiday Plaza.
They were instructed to go to Holiday Plaza.
And 41, suspect number, he was the one that sprayed.
Copy. Suspect number 1 was the one who sprayed the platform. Item 40.
40, go ahead.
Is the suspect or the person that you have detained matching the description to either that 41 days?
Negative, I'm with a witness. They're saying that it was a possible 211. The subject we have detained topside is the victim, and the two suspects are outstanding.
10-4.
Let's make sure, let's make sure that the station is closed. Other gates are closed, secondary and primary. We still seem to have patrons coming downstairs trying to continue to clear the platform as a strain out.
10-4, we'll call the agent.
And you can slow the 9 response down. Code 2.
Team 1, Team 3, copy.
8 from Cheyenne.
10-4.
45.
45.
Can you reach out to medical and have them come towards the Holiday Plaza entrance? I have one male who's heavily pepper sprayed in the face that needs attention.
10-4.
S38.
S38.
Let's confirm with the TO and walk responses. Train is clear, and it's the same service. They're released from here. And the platform right now is clear of any pictures.
S3, 10-4.
S38. You can go code 34. We don't sounds anymore.
Code 34.
Yeah, and I wanted to ask you, I should have asked you before your doors open up there, how was the smell when you walked through the...
I'm 43.
Item 43.
I got flagged down by another pepper spray victim, topside, cross street from the old Walk-ins.
10-4. And 43B5, there's multiple medical units around the Holiday Plaza.
What were you on there?
10-4.
35.
Item 35.
Harvey left for our arrival. No crime was committed. Show us something.
45.
45.
We were looking at the outside, marking the top. Team 3.
Team 3.
1-3 still need code 6 traffic on the bridge.
Okay, do you need Team 3 and Team 1 to continue?
3-8 negative, they can cancel. Thank you, though.
Team 3 copy.
Hello, 16.
Yes.
Can we have a unit at Powell go to the platform and assess if the vans have worked and we from the station again and let normal patron service begin?
They're just assisting the patron upstairs. I'll take care of that. A lot of units are busy up top with a couple of these stops for you.
3, 10, 4.
43. 43.
Yes.
For UTL outside, feedback top.
10, 4.
For you.
23.
We have the suspect info, level 2 SFAD.
Paper.
Copy.
That's 3-8. So people said everything's been anticipated. You can reopen the station and go ATO here at Powell.
10, 4. ATO at Powell station is clear to be real.
That's 3-8. You can have a shut down as well. There's no need to continue.
10, 4.
That's 3-8.
Good?
That's 3-8. If we can, if you got anybody on video recovery, they're going to be 21 when they're available.
Yeah, try it for another up there.
Copy, thank you. Well, I'll take your case numbers.
1191, 1191.
Copy.
41.
41, right?
Are you calling?
Yeah, SF Medic 577, we transported the victim over to General.
Alright.
And then if I get the train contact from the SFO Millbury in the notes, please.
It's already there.